Christmas has a way of arriving faster than we expect. But what if this year, you didn't wait until December? At Grandma's Rustic Nest, we believe the most beautiful holiday homes are created slowly, with meaningful details, handmade touches, and cozy memories. Today, let's begin your Christmas 2026 makeover early, using simple DIY ideas that feel timeless, warm, and wonderfully nostalgic. Before buying decorations, decide how you want your home to feel. For a timeless Christmas, think warm whites, natural wood, soft greenery, vintage-inspired ornaments, and gentle candlelight. Gather what you already own and look for pieces that can be refreshed. A simple pine branch, ribbon, or thrifted frame can become something beautiful with very little expense. DIY decorations become especially meaningful when they feel personal. Try transforming old jars into candle holders, adding velvet ribbon to existing ornaments, or creating simple dried orange garlands for the mantle. These projects are inexpensive, but they bring texture and character. For women who love traditional decorating, handmade pieces can make a home feel collected rather than simply decorated. Instead of changing your entire home overnight, begin with one meaningful space. The living room might receive a soft throw, vintage ornaments, greenery, and handmade stockings. Then move toward the dining area, kitchen, and entryway. Decorating gradually allows you to notice what each room truly needs, while making the holiday transformation feel relaxing instead of rushed. One of the best Christmas decorating secrets is learning to see familiar objects differently. An old basket can hold ornaments, a vintage pitcher can display greenery, and leftover fabric can become charming bows. Mixing treasured pieces with simple DIY additions creates layers of history and warmth. The goal isn't perfection. It's creating a home that feels welcoming, nostalgic, and unmistakably yours. Christmas 2026 doesn't have to begin with a shopping spree in December. It can begin today, with one handmade ornament, one refreshed corner, or one treasured decoration brought back to life. At Grandma's Rustic Nest, we believe decorating slowly creates something more beautiful than a perfect holiday home. A home filled with memories, warmth, creativity, and the comforting feeling of Christmas.